I am Deepa, Director of Aieraa Overseas. So, Aieraa Overseas Studies is a company which is from India. We are recruiting medical students to study medical education in Vietnam. We are the first company, we are the pioneer for this new medical education in Vietnam to bring the students from India. And we are proud to say that more than 60 students are studying from Aieraa in Canto University for 22-23 batch. And this year we are planning to recruit at least 200 students from India for Canto University for medical education. Aieraa was started in the year 2021 and we started doing admissions first in Hong Bang International University in Ho Chi Minh City. We had around 30 students as the first batch of students, and later we signed up with Canto University, so we are in the campus, Canto University campus. We have the exclusive right to send medical students from India, and we also make sure that we get more than 200 and 250 students for 23-24 batch in Canto University. Our first batch of students consists of 65 in Canto University and 30 in Hong Bang International University. So precisely I want to tell you that we have more than 100 students studying in Vietnam from India for medical education. So this is a brief introduction about Aieraa Overseas Studies, and we are in the progress of signing with other government medical colleges in Vietnam so that we can bring more medical students here to explore the opportunities in Vietnam in healthcare system, and we also want to bring the faculties to Vietnam, and then we try to take the proposal to the Ministry of Health of Vietnam, and also with the help of honorable ambassadors in India of Vietnam helped us to really take this further and made this as a successful project to bring the medical students to Vietnam. How I justify that Vietnam is the best study destination for medical education is with the abundance availability of healthcare system in the country, the population and the expansion of the healthcare system in the country, which is unmatchable with any other countries, any other Asian countries as a fact. And during COVID, Vietnam efficiently managed the COVID when you compare to other developed countries. So in that case, I feel that Vietnam will be a future study destination for medical program and healthcare system in the globe. When I talk about the safety measures, the Vietnam is one of the most safest country in globe, and it is one of the 7th best safest country in Asia. So in that case, our students get an opportunity to study in a place which is more safe, more comfortable, and especially for the girl students, we always look at, as a parent, we look into the safety factor, and they are really safe in this place. And I should proudly tell you that in Aieraa we have more girls candidates than boys candidates in the class. Our girls hostels are bigger than the boys hostels. So in that case, girls are very comfortable here in this country, they feel safe and they feel home. Library, we have enough e-books for students. Apart from that, Aieraa is sponsoring large number of Indian author books. So books with Indian authors which will be comfortable for our Indian students to study, and that will also be comfortable for the students to take their competitive examination after the course. So we are going to have Indian author books in the library and the world authors, and also we are going to have an Access Medicine subscription as an e-library for students. So the students can have varieties of books from different parts of the world so that they can enhance their knowledge, and that is, there's no limit in that. We started a company in Vietnam called Aieraa Hospitality. Aieraa Hospitality takes care of the services for Indian students in Vietnam in terms of accommodation and food. So we provide Indian food in Vietnam for our students, 3 meals a day for all the Indian students who stay in Vietnam. And we also provide hostel facilities for both boys and girls, and we have boys and girls separate hostel facilities for Indian students in Vietnam, which is run by Aieraa Hospitality, a company in Vietnam, and I am the director of Aieraa Hospitality here. We have hostel facilities. We have 3 accommodations or 4 accommodation in a room. We have an air-conditioned accommodation in the hostel facilities. We have cook from India who come here and cook for Indian students. So we have CCTV camera in all the hostel facilities, both in boys and girls hostel. So we make sure that the students are maintaining discipline in the hostel and they get back to the hostel in time. And we also monitor the students, and we make sure the students' hostel facilities are in a very safe locality, and we have a coordinator from Aieraa in the hostel to take care of the safety of students. So this is how Aieraa Hospitality takes care of their stay in Vietnam. So as the students are new to the country, we want to take care of them from end to end, right from they start from India till they complete the course, and after the course completion, for their internship or for the training here in Vietnam, and also we train the students for next FMGE, USMLE, UKMLE classes for the students to take competitive examination after completion of medical program. So this is how Aieraa provides an end-to-end service for a student. We don't just admit the students, we travel with the students throughout the journey of the medical education, and we make sure that they become a doctor, successful doctor in the country.